I'm Shekinah Marcy Castro. Today, I will show you the different places in our community. Let's go! This is our terminal, where people ride jeep. Next up, this is our bakery, where we buy bread for breakfast. Next up, this is our basketball court, where adult children play. Next up, this is our salon, where people get haircut. Next up, this is our Catholic Church, where people pray and worship God. Next up, this is our drugstore, where people buy medicine. Ito naman ang aming hall, kung saan nangangasiwa ng aking komunidad. At ang aming sana ito akong kaalaman. Ito po ang aming palengke, kung saan kami bumibili ng pagkain araw-araw. Ito naman ang aming ospital, kung saan dinadala mga may mga sakit. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching this community tour. Bye-bye. Like and subscribe.